vlog day 13. Ooh, look at that nail. I'm about to do my makeup again. I do this every morning, you know the drill. Yeah. I'm in so much pain because I pulled my shoulder getting out of the bath. So yeah. My mum's on the phone if you can hear her. Yeah, not doing anything once again today. So I'll speak to you after I've done my makeup. While I'm doing my makeup, I just want to talk you through some of my favourite makeup brushes. So I'll start with my sort of favourite eye brush. So this is the BH number 12 brush. Let's see if it'll focus. Probably not. No. But as you can see, it's a large fluffy brush that you can sort of see in the mirror. And it fits right in and just blends perfectly. For my eye at least, and I have hooded eyes, so that it looks large. Like here's the Morphe M510, so they're sort of similar, but obviously it's not as massive. So yeah, that's that. Then another one is the Morphe R37, I think. I can't really see because it's rubbed off, but yeah, this one is perfect for blending as well, right in that crease. So yeah, I'm sort of showing you more in the mirror. So that's another one. I also love the Morphe M441. This is perfect as well. It's just a bit more stiff than the R37. My favourite eyebrow brush is the, oh god, M160 sort of 1/8, I think it says. So that's that. That is perfect for my gel for the brows, sort of the pomade. What else? I love this brush. It's the Real Techniques setting brush. This is amazing for powder under the eyes or setting concealer. So yeah, love that. Face brushes. I love this one. This is Morphe B4. This is perfect for contour because I have quite a fat face. It fits. Oh, someone coming in next door. Fits right in that hollow and just does it perfectly. I have fallen back in love with this brush. This is the Real Techniques sculpting brush. You just work it in, and I work my foundation in with that, and then I go over it with a beauty blender. I've sort of resorted back to my old one that's sort of torn up and gammy because I don't really like the pink one, the like baby pink one. I also love this Anastasia brush. It's a setting brush. Anastasia, whatever, Beverly Hills. Blush. This is my favourite blush brush. It's the Blush Brush by Real Techniques. I've gone back to fan brushes as well for highlighter because I want more of a candlelit glow than a blinding glow. I'm just obsessed with that nail, can you see it? So this is the B fan brush. I think it's B by Superdrug, so yeah, that just highlights lovely. So that's about it. Just wanted to tell you to add some more depth to the vlog because they really consist of nothing. Oh, I'm flipping you off, sorry. So yeah, get back to my makeup. I'm honestly only doing my makeup so I can get a new profile picture because obviously I've had the same one for like 3 years, so yeah, let's get still while I'm here. The vinyl I was playing a minute ago is the Marilyn Monroe When I Fall in Love album, and I use side B, which is this side because the other side has her beautiful face on it. I love Marilyn. Like every normal white girl at the minute loves Marilyn Monroe, but I really do. This is my uncle's album and he gave it to me because he loves me. So yeah, currently I'm listening to Crybaby by, sorry, brushes on the floor, feet. Crybaby, Melanie Martinez. I had a phase of being obsessed and I still am, honestly. But yeah, so you get the storybook, and I waited for this for like 6 months, no joke. There it is, and you get the storybook, and this used to be pinned up on my wall. So yeah, you get the storybook. I love vinyls, so fun. So this one is about Crybaby, Dollhouse. They're all blue tacked together, that's stupid. See if I can get them apart. Oh, that's painful. Sippy Cup, Carousel, and another one. Alphabet Boy. Oops. Soap. Come on. Training Wheels. Pity Party. I just love this storybook, it's so cute. What's this called? I forgot. That's Milk and Cookies. Oh my god, why have I forgot? Let me think. Let me look at you. One moment. Tag your hair, that's it. Oops. So yeah, Milk and Cookies, Pacify Her, and Mrs. Potato Head. And I'm sure at the end it's Mad Hatter. Yeah, Mad Hatter, and then some portraits. So yeah, that's that. I just thought I'd show you. That's the back of it. I do love vinyls, so much better than normal. Ain't she beautiful? So yeah, that's that. Still getting ready. So yeah, show you how well this foundation brush works. So I've just plastered some Lasting Finish foundation by Rimmel on, and I'm just blending it out. See how quick? And you just dab it near your eyes, because I do my eyes first, so, well, eyebrows. See how quick? And then just go over it. See how beat up that is? It's actually really sad. There we go. And as you can see, that foundation isn't full coverage, but that's not what I'm going for. I'm a bit dry down here, but yeah, that's how quick that brush blends out. I love that setup, right? So I'm just going to show you how this works as well with it. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, oh, what shade is this? I actually don't know. It doesn't say. That's great. It's the brown one. So I just plump a bit out. And I use this as bronzer, not contour. So just a bit to bronze myself up. So get the brush. How simple was that? And then tiny bit on the forehead. Beautiful. I'll just do one side to show you the difference. Okay. I don't know how to show you really. Bronze side, none. So it just adds a nice warmth. So yeah, I really love this brush. Now, I just stopped the video. Well done. The fact is now that I can't be bothered doing my hair. Let's go downstairs. Spaghetti bolognese again. There's Sophie. Sophia! What? Come here, Bab. Oh. What? My tea and some ice cream. I'm lay back in bed now. I'm gonna peel this dry skin off because it's annoying me. But yeah. I'm tired now. And I'm going to upload a video to Snow Fairy Kisses, so okay, I'm about to take my makeup off and tint my eyebrows because I haven't done it in like 12 years. I'm just going to use this, what I normally use. Literally, I don't think I've done this since like Christmas. So yeah, let's get this done. I'm currently trying to dye my eyebrows. Not sure if they will work, but I'm hoping so. I think I've done it wrong, but I don't care really. They're just eyebrows. They look okay, so worked. Not. Ginger brows. So I'll have to be up early. Yeah. I can't think of anything to say. I always lose what I was saying. Yes, Mum, you put that mattress down. There's my leg. So yeah. Tempted to buy some comforter. So yeah. God bless. What are you smiling at?